Believe it or not, this house was just one bedroom, one bath, and this was the one bedroom. As you can see, it's pretty small, and it didn't even have a closet, so it just had a window. So technically, for a bedroom to be a bedroom, it has to have a closet and a window. This one, I don't know how this house got away with it. It's built in like 1917, so it didn't even have a closet. So we added a closet, and that's it. We added a closet to the room. What's up, everybody? Real Estate Nate outside of our latest flip that we just got done doing in Sugar House. The house, we listed it. It's under contract. Cross your fingers, everything goes well. But the reason why I'm making this video, guys, is I wanted to show you what we did and what we did not do to the house when we flipped it. We usually just wholesale or wholesale. Wholesaling is when you buy something, clean it up, you do bare minimum, and you list it and you sell it. That's what we did on our last one. But this one we wanted to flip. And you know what I want to show you guys is that with the inventory being so low right now and the market being hot, you don't have to do the things you used to have to do when you flipped a house and like do to the T, do to the nines, do all this stuff. You don't have to like do the landscaping. So we went in there and picked specific things that we thought would increase the value, and we're going to show you what that is. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining, and please like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you can get notified of future videos and help me grow this channel so I can bring you more stuff that will help you make money. Let's go. So guys, we're gonna start at the front of the house. As you can see, we got a brand new deck that we put on there, and we painted the house white. Now, what had happened, guys, is, you know, the house is a really old brick color, and not only that, but the deck was kind of falling down. So we said, okay, I think to increase the value and get the most for this house, we'll paint it white, make it pop, you know, redo the foundation, make it, you know, texture it, make it look brand new, make it look nice, do the deck. And we felt like those things would increase the value without going too overboard. The house, I'll tell you, the neighbors, they wrote us a letter and said, hey, please don't paint it. We want it not, you know, we want it to look, I guess, rustic. So we went and talked to the neighbors and said, hey, look, we explained to them why painting it was a better idea for us and for the neighborhood because it would increase the value. So we were cool with it, we're cool with the neighbors, but we painted it. I think it looks awesome. The deck looks good. The curb appeal looks great. So anyway, guys, that's what we did. New deck, painted it, looks awesome. Let's go inside. So we're in the front room of the house, and guys, we didn't really do anything to this room. We kept the carpet, the paint job that was fine. We didn't touch it. Only thing we did is we staged it. And as you can see, the staging job is decent. It's okay. It's decent. One of our employees, Jake, he has a connection to someone who has a staging company, so they let us borrow this stuff. We came in here real quick, staged it, made it look decent. So that's what we did. We staged it. All right, we're in the kitchen right now, and to show you guys what we did, all we did is the floor. The kitchen was actually carpeted, so we just changed the floors. They had a different countertop, so we put a newer countertop. I think it's quartz. A lot of people are like, hey, why didn't you just paint the cabinets? It would have looked a lot better. For us, we thought these were newer and nice enough, so we decided not to, and it's under contract, so apparently, you know, the buyer doesn't care. So countertops, got the floor done. We actually sold the fridge for like $400. We thought by selling the fridge, you would open up. This is a small kitchen. So we thought by selling the big fridge, you would open up the room, make it look bigger, and I think it does. So that's what we did in the kitchen. So guys, believe it or not, this house was just one bedroom, one bath, and this was the one bedroom. As you can see, it's pretty small. And it didn't even have a closet, so it just had a window. So technically, for a bedroom to be a bedroom, it has to have a closet and a window. This one, I don't know how this house got away with it. It's built in like 1917, so it didn't even have a closet. So we added a closet, and that's it. We added a closet to the room. And, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, in the kitchen, we did paint the kitchen. So that's pretty much all we did here. We didn't really do anything in the bathroom, so I'm not going to show you that. So far, what have we done? We've fixed the floor in the kitchen, did a little countertop, we did a closet, and we staged the place. So let's keep painted outside and the deck. So let's keep going. All right, everybody, we're gonna wrap this video up because we're in the last part of the house. So the original house that was built in 1917 was you could call it a one bedroom, one bath, but they added an addition on here when we bought it. So when we got here, there was actually a wall here, and there was no closet. So it wasn't even technically a bedroom. It was like just two separate rooms. So what we did is we took out the wall, made it a big master, and we added a closet so it could be technically a bedroom. So it's 2 bedroom, 1 bath now. And that's pretty much what we did to this room. Like I said, we kept the carpet the same. Didn't really paint, didn't do anything. We just took out the wall that was separating these two rooms, added a closet, so it could be a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. So everybody, I hope that was kind of helpful to show you what we did. I mean, to be honest, it wasn't a ton. It cost us around $30,000 to do the work, and you know, it's paying off, and you know, it's honestly, when you look at wholesaling or fix and flip right now, the way the market is, fix and flip and wholesales are going to make you the most money. Wholesaling, possibly, if you wholesale, it's quick money and you can wholesale it to someone and make a big fee. But from our experience right now, wholesale and fix and flip is the way to go. So hope that video was helpful to let you know the minimal things you need to do to maximize the value of a property that you're trying to flip or wholesale. And to be honest, guys, maybe we didn't even have to do any of that. Maybe it would have sold for the same price. You'll never know, but that's kind of what's happened for us, and you know, hopefully you can take this information and learn from it. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Check out our other videos, and I'll talk to you guys next time.